Assalamualaikum, my name is Haji Asfar bin Kharanwa, number metric DB240197. Today I will explaining measurement and calibration about the Insight micrometer. First of all is introduction to the instrument. The Insight micrometer is a tool used to measure the inside dimension of objects such as holes, tube and cylinder. It is commonly used in engineering, machining and quality control. This tool is important because it can measure small internal size very accurately. Number 2 is a measurement principle. The Insight micrometer works based on a screw mechanism. When we turn the thimble, the screw moves the measuring rods outward. This movement changes the distance between the rods, and that distance is the measurement we read on the scale. Because the screw moves very smoothly and precisely, the micrometer can measure up to 0.01 mm. This makes it a very accurate measuring tool. Number 3 is about the relevant standard. Insight micrometer follow international standard to ensure they are accurate and safe to use. Some important standards include ISO 3611, which explains the requirement for micrometer, ISO 17025, which is used for calibration laboratory, and ASTM E2877, which give a guideline for checking micrometer accuracy. These standards help make sure the micrometer give correct and consistent measurement. Number 4 is about theoretical calibration procedure. The calibration of an Insight micrometer in theory has several steps. First, the micrometer must be checked to ensure it is clean and not damaged. Second, the zero reading is checked to make sure the scale starts correctly. Next, the micrometer is tested using ring gauge or gauge block, which act as the reference standard. The user compares the micrometer reading to the true value and records any error. The measurement is repeated several times to check consistency. Finally, all result including uncertainty are recorded in a calibration report. Number 5 is about type of error and uncertainty. Errors can occur when using an Insight micrometer. Common error include reading the scale incorrectly, one screw thread, temperature change that affect the metal, using the wrong measuring force, or placing the micrometer incorrectly inside the hole. Uncertainty can come from the environmental condition, the user skills, the accuracy of the gauge block, and the repeatability of the tool. This factor may cause small difference in the measurement. For the last one is about professional responsibility and ethics. A technician or engineer must use the micrometer responsibly and follow professional ethics. This includes handling the tool carefully, keeping it clean, and storing it properly. Measurement must be recorded honestly without changing or faking data. Calibration records should be kept, and all standard procedure must be followed. Good ethics ensure the measurement are reliable and trustworthy for engineering work.